What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for another Icebreaker roller coaster construction update and general park update. And we can see right here, the waves are on. It's glorious. Beautiful to see with that newly painted lighthouse. Well, to get their temperature checks and security, it was a breeze. Little bit of a line here at the front entrance, but we'll be right in. Yep, only a 2-minute wait and we are on our way. From time to time, we like to show you some of the new pens that are here at SeaWorld, and we can see these are new for the different months. We have February, March, April. Looks awesome. Recently we showed you some retro merchandise over here, and SeaWorld is really trying to make a push on Twitter for 150,000 followers, and then they're going to release some new retro merchandise. Well, the new coffee shop looks to be about the same, formerly Cypress Bakery. Everything else, yeah, just about the same. No new paint really. Little bit busier this week compared to last week. They were slammed on the weekend also. It's good to see though. And there's Icebreaker from across the lake. I do see a train in the maintenance barn area and one in the station. So it seems a little quiet. I'm not sure if we're gonna see any testing today. Well, what do you know? All those water bottle buoys, they've been removed. And still nothing new to report over here for Project Penguin. We'll let you know if anything does happen. There's a little closer view of Icebreaker. Again, all quiet. However, just off to the side over there where there used to be a smoking area, there's a new structure going up. One small thing to note, altitude burgers now on the directional signs. Here we are, work walls up. You can see that structure right there, new, next to the exit and spike. Yep, we can see exit right there and that structure. I'm thinking maybe for a very tiny gift shop. We'll see. Yep, I hate to say it, it's all quiet over here in the station area. Nobody is around, and we heard something kind of bad. Nobody is scheduled at Icebreaker for the next week either. So that means no softs, and I really hope the ride's not just gonna sit. Nothing new over here at the locker area, and front entrance still the same. It says anticipated opening 2021. We're hoping it's going to be real soon. And here's a little better look at that structure that's going up right next to the exit. Since Icebreaker is quiet, that's going to do it for this part of the update. Let's go check out some other stuff going on around the park. Infinity Falls, and we can see it's currently in operation, thrilling and soaking guests. And there's something over here at the Pass Holder Lounge we want to show you. Here we are at the Pass Member Lounge. So why are we here? Well, hard cards are back in stock, and for $5 you can pick one up. So this is the old design from last year, and here is the new one. It's a hot day, and no surprise, Infinity Falls has a heck of a wait. Currently over an hour. Big go! And it has been a while since we've checked up on it. Currently has a 60-minute wait. So yes, a little bit busy. Lakeside Grill, and unfortunately still not in operation just yet. Sky Tower, and well, I couldn't tell you if it's in operation or not as the sign has been removed. Ropes are up over here, and directional sign, well, it's like that. And unfortunately, there is our answer. Closed. No! Dolphin Theater still has work walls up. Let's go check the stage. And here we are on the other side next to Journey to Atlantis. Sign right there, still saying we're making improvements. And the stage is gone. Gone. And there's a big crane over there too. So it appears there's some exciting stuff going on. Again, rumored, we told you a couple weeks ago, a new show is possible. Kraken Unleashed, and it has been quite a while since we've checked up on it. Let's go say hi. There's Kraken, and unfortunately it currently has one train in operation. Ouch. That kiosk that we keep telling you about, well, still here, just not in operation. Manta flying by, and of course we gotta check up on our pink chickens. There's a whole bunch of pink chickens over here, right where the nests are. Very soon we'll have baby pink chickens. Well guys, that's going to do it for another update here from SeaWorld Orlando for Icebreaker and a general park construction update. As we saw, well, Icebreaker is sitting quiet, but the Dolphin Theater is seeing a bunch of new work. Of course, we did see a structure over at Icebreaker, possibly for a gift shop, and we're still fingers crossed that we're going to have softs in the next couple of weeks. course, if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.